Hello everyone, hope you're doing well and welcome to the Python Complete course. In this video, we're going to talk about lists in Python. Before jumping over to the main point, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. It will motivate us for creating more useful content for you. Python lists are one of the most versatile and commonly used data structures. Let's dive deep into understanding lists, their characteristics, and how to manipulate them effectively. Lists in Python are sequence and fall down the basic data structure category. They can hold a mixture of strings, numbers, and other data types. For those familiar with the programming languages, Python lists are analogs to array but offer enhanced features. For creating and accessing lists in Python, we need to define using square brackets. The same brackets are utilized to retrieve the data stored inside the lists. For example, let's create a variable. So here we're going to create a variable with x. And inside the square brackets, we're going to pass some string data. So this one will be, so as I'm passing the name of the animals, so I'm going to say lion, tiger, deer, elephant, and you can type your own data if you want. So after that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the print function, and inside opening and closing parentheses, I'm going to pass the variable x. So this will print all elements that you have stored inside our list. Or if you want to access every single data of this list, you need to use the index number. So the starting index will be 0. So the index 0 is going to be lion, index 1 is going to be tiger. For adding and removing elements from list, we need to use functions like append and remove to add or eliminate items from the list respectively. Here's an example. In this example, first we are going to append a data and then we are going to remove a data by using append and remove function. So for this, what I'm going to do, I'm going to say x dot append, and inside the opening and closing parentheses, and I'm going to add an element. So here I'm going to say, rabbit, and after that I'm going to use the print function to print all the data and check whether the append function works or not. So and here you can see we have 5 data inside our list. So after that, let's use the remove function, and here we're going to remove elements. So I'm going to say x dot remove, and inside the opening closing parentheses, I'm going to type the name of the element that I want to remove. So I'm going to remove deer. So let's type deer, and after that I'm going to use the print function to check whether the element is removed or not. So here you can see the element is removed. In the last, we have a ascending and descending order. So to organize items in the list, Python offers the sort function. This function arranges items in ascending order by default. Here's an example. In this example, I'm going to say x dot, and instead of append or remove function, I'm going to use the sort function. So the sort, this will sort all the elements in alphabetical order. And if I use the print function, and here you can see. If you wish to view the list in descending order, you need to use the sort followed by a reverse function. Here is an example. First we have used the sort, and after that I'm going to use x dot reverse function. And then I print this, and here you can see. So that's it. Hope you understand until this point. If you have any question, any suggestion, please leave the comment below. If you didn't subscribe this channel, please hit the subscribe button. It will motivate us for creating more useful content.